Fuel is extracted from the fuel tank using an electric fuel pump. The electric fuel pump is generally located inside the fuel tank. The pump increases the fuel pressure and directs it through a fuel line. This ensures a steady fuel supply to the engine's fuel injection system. Pressurized fuel is delivered to the fuel rail. The fuel rail acts as a distribution manifold. It ensures a consistent fuel supply to each injector. Each injector is a solenoid valve controlled by the ECU. When energized, the injector precisely meters fuel into the engine. The air intake valve opens, initiating the air-fuel mixture process. A fuel injector sprays a fine mist of fuel into the incoming airstream. This creates a precise air-fuel mixture. Precise mixing optimizes combustion efficiency within the engine. This system reduces emissions compared to older carburetor systems. The air-fuel mixture enters the cylinder as the piston descends. The piston then moves upward, compressing the air-fuel mixture. At the peak of compression, the spark plug ignites the mixture. This ignition causes a controlled explosion within the cylinder. The force of the explosion drives the piston down, producing power. Following combustion, exhaust gases are released from the engine cylinder. Oxygen sensors in the exhaust system measure the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases. This data is sent to the engine control unit, ECU, as feedback. The ECU adjusts fuel injection based on this feedback, optimizing performance and reducing emissions.